Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. You're probably spending $200 to $400 every single month on things you don't even remember buying. I'm not talking about one massive purchase. I'm talking about the slow bleed, the subscriptions you forgot about, the premium versions you don't use, the convenience taxes you pay without thinking. And the weirdest part? You could cut all of this without sacrificing your actual lifestyle. Let's talk about how. Mistake number 1 is what I call the subscription graveyard. You signed up for a streaming service 3 months ago, then forgot about it. Now you're paying $15.99 a month for something you watched twice. The average person has 4 active subscriptions they've completely forgotten about. That's 2 a year minimum, and most people don't even realize it's coming out. Here's what you do. Go into your bank or credit card statement right now, not later, literally right now, if you can, and search for the word subscription or recurring. Write down everything that shows up. You'll probably find 2 or 3 things you forgot existed. Mistake number 2 is invisible inflation in your daily habits. Your coffee shop raised prices 15% last year, but you didn't notice because it was gradual. Your gym membership went up $5 a month, 3 times. Your phone bill added a $12 surcharge you don't understand. These aren't big individual costs, but together they've probably increased your monthly spending by $60 to $80 without you consciously deciding to spend more. The fix here is to audit your top 5 recurring expenses every single quarter. Your phone bill, insurance, gym, groceries, and 1 entertainment category. Spend 20 minutes checking if you're overpaying compared to what's available now. Mistake number 3 is peak pricing without knowing it. You're buying your groceries on Saturday when prices are highest. You're booking your flights on Tuesday morning when everyone else is. You're shopping at the convenience store instead of the regular supermarket. These aren't character flaws. You're just using peak pricing times. The solution is strategic. Buy groceries on Wednesday or Thursday when stores reduce prices to clear inventory. Book flights on Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning. Use grocery delivery apps that show you which items are on sale before you commit. These small timing changes can cut your grocery bill by 15 to 20% instantly while you're buying the exact same things. Mistake number 4 is what I call the convenience tax, the silent killer. You're ordering delivery instead of cooking because you're tired. That's $18 versus $4 in groceries, so you're paying a $14 convenience tax. You're going to the coffee shop instead of making coffee at home. That's a $5 convenience tax. These aren't luxuries. Convenience is a legitimate service. But here's the catch. You can structure your life to use convenience strategically instead of constantly. Buy pre-prepped vegetables. Cook in bulk on Sunday for 3 days. Use a coffee maker that works while you sleep. You're not sacrificing the convenience tax entirely. You're just being intentional about when you pay it. Mistake number 5 is not optimizing your fixed costs. Your insurance rate hasn't been checked in 3 years. Your internet plan is twice what new customers pay. Your phone carrier is charging you a fortune because you're locked into an old plan. These costs are invisible because they're automatic, but they're often 20 to 30% higher than they need to be. Spend 1 afternoon, literally 2 hours, calling your insurance company, internet provider, and phone carrier. Tell them you're considering switching. Ask about new customer rates. Say you want to match a competitor's offer. You'll probably cut $40 to $80 a month off these 3 categories alone, and you haven't changed your lifestyle at all. So here's what this actually looks like in practice. You cut the subscriptions you forgot about. That's $40. You audit your recurring charges and negotiate. That's another $60. You shift your shopping and booking times. That's $80 in groceries alone. You strategize your convenience purchases instead of cutting them out. That's $50. You optimize your fixed costs. That's another $60. You're now at $2 a month, or $3,000 a year, without eating rice and beans or canceling your gym membership. You can still order delivery sometimes. You can still go to coffee shops. You're just being intentional instead of automatic. That's the real definition of keeping your lifestyle while cutting expenses. The difference between people who build wealth and people who stay stuck isn't about earning more. It's about being intentional with what they earn. These 5 mistakes are costing you thousands of dollars every year in ways you can't even see. But once you see them, they're actually the easiest money to cut because you're not sacrificing anything real. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more personal finance content that actually works. And drop a comment telling me which mistake you're fixing first. Thanks for watching.